wow, guys. Pure survival at this point. It's your friend CryptoFace. We got the cold steel, cold samurai flute in the background. I know it's been a little while. It's been, a little while, good few days, maybe a week since, we've streamed or made a video. It's been a holiday weekend. We got a couple things we got to talk about. But we have to address the elephant in the room. And that is that we are without a doubt, without a shadow of a doubt, we are in pure, unadulterated stone cold survival mode right now. There's no question about it. This is stone cold. We are in the desert. I had this image in my head. I almost played some that Indian guitar song that I've played once in a while in the background. And I was in a good little long actually tonight. And man, I was like, I'm in the green. I'm gonna stream this morning. And it was stone cold survival mode kicked in, and I had to get out of the trade. There was just no question about it. I guess I'd be up a tiny bit now with the price actually coming back, but you could tell immediately social media is kind of in a fray. The volume and everything is just kind of weak. There's fear right now, and then it's kind of weak. It's weak, but I want a long. I just want a long and go away just like everybody else and come back and see it happen. Now it's probably happened. Now I'm not in a trade. I wanted to be in the stream. Now the price goes. Start the video with the price going up. Now I'm not. Now I'm not gonna in a trade. We are without a doubt in stone cold survival mode, and we can couple announcements that there's a couple announcements that we do have to make. Let's actually just get those out of the way. First off, I hope everyone had a good Memorial Day in celebration, in remembrance, and in our solemnness for Memorial Day and our veterans and veteran families. We have a 30% off coupon code for Market Cipher. The coupon code is Soldier, and I believe we're running it through Saturday. Soldier. Go to marketciphertrading.com and or marketcipher.com. Code Soldier for 30% off. We are in pure stone cold survival times, and we live in a messed up world. It's hard. You got to hold on to your money. It's anxiety. I don't know about you, but I feel like the anxiety is it's not even fear. It's anxiety. We are in a state of anxiety. That's the first thing. The second thing is we have officially put out, and it took a long time for us to get this right, but we now have an official limited time only Platinum Peasy collection. And darn it, I should have re-entered long right here at this bottom, but I'm saying that now. I'm saying that now as the price is bouncing off this little bottom, but it's just stone cold survival right now, guys. I don't know what else to say. It's all-time high anxiety. I feel like this is danger blender zone. Danger. I can feel it. I can feel it. For those of you who say we only stream in the green, You're damn right. This is one of those times I am not going to stream unless I am well within the green. And even then, yeah, I won't be. Even then, I'm not safe. Even then, I know I'm not safe. I was in this trade for maybe an hour. Maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. And man, this thing was coming down. It's just repeating the same pattern, just repeating this same pattern. I had to get out. I was pissed. Anyways, the Platinum Peasy collection. We trimmed up the merch shop. We have the black and white version. After so long, we finally have something that I am proud of, that you can be proud of. We have Platinum Peasy to celebrate our man, Platinum Mike Perry, Platinum Peasy, the pimp and Platinum Peasy in black and white and in color. We got it on the heavy tees and the essential, and then the normal market cipher. So there you go. And the 20-ounce mugs are coming back. Hopefully that's going to be coming back here soon. I have to work with a totally different merchant provider. Stone Cold Survival. Look at this price action right now. I can't trust it, man. I can't trust it. Now, we just got through a long holiday weekend. I see a lot of people talking about this monthly. So that must kind of be the going thing right now on social media is the monthly potential momentum clipping, the yellow wave coming down, crossing down. Certainly, this is a respectful, you know. I see where you guys are coming from. I'm scared too. I see where you guys are coming from. Oh, come on. Hang on, give me 1 second. I mean, where was this ETH candle? Here we go. It's someone on the Twitter made a comment that kind of stuck with me. It's like, you know, they're gonna bore us to death, and pow! It's just gonna pow! These pow candles, up or down. I feel like it's real dangerous right now. We are in pure stone cold survival mode. At this point, I tell you, you know what is not in stone cold survival mode? Pulse chain. Now it's just, this thing is just going to keep slowly bleeding down. It's going to keep slowly bleeding down. I rode with the Pulse chain gang for over 3 years. I could have made well over $1 million. Well over $1 million. Not once, maybe twice. And shame on me for not taking profits on that. You know, my heart goes out to some of you guys out there. If you're going through that pulse chain pain, or really any pain in crypto, man, I feel you, man. I feel you, man. And especially with this pulse chain shit. If I'm wrong, great. Hope I'm wrong. Sinking ship, it's gonna keep sinking. Stone cold survival. The one shining hope beacon, Pepe, has been my beacon of hope. And I bought a little more at 15, just a little bit, not too much, 3 or 4 days ago. I'll tell you, obviously meme coins are the star, and you know, people are late to the game. You're hearing these people talk on Twitter, late to the game, man. If you're not already in, man, I should have got in on. I should have got in long on this Bitcoin, man. I'm telling you, Stone Cold Survival. This is stone cold survival right now. And I know I'm kind of just blurting out how I'm feeling, what I'm thinking. But if you are thinking and feeling the same way, maybe not. Some of you are, some of you aren't. I'm sure there's a couple of you that are so very confident in whatever right now. But I'm not. And I guess I'm disappointed because I want to trade and I want to stream. I wanted to stream. I wanted to stream today and be in a good trade, and I just had to close that thing out, man. Maybe I can just play with do like a smaller amount trade or something. I don't know. But anyways, looking at the price action, obviously the monthly that is something to look at. Now, a lot of times, the first time momentum wave comes over the 60 line, you know, it doesn't mean it's over right then and there. But when we kind of look at it this way, it kind of does. On this one, it revisited. It kind of had a double top. People are talking about MT Gox. The 2 week is the 2 week doesn't look like the monthly. The 2 week has the VWAP yellow wave coming up. Momentum's nice and thick. RSIs are strong. The weekly money flow has thinned a little bit thinned. And it's just, it's a little rickety. It's rickety. Yeah, there's a couple time frames. You know, a blind squirrel finds a is right about the time to twice a day. Looking at the 6 hour, we have a couple of these trigger waves to the downside. Again, at least for the States, we had a long weekend. And, you know, maybe we just got to wait out this, you know, wait today out, wait out this Tuesday to maybe get some more kind of solid numbers in, get some more solid statistics in before we start making any rash decisions. I think social media is going to be squirming. There's obviously going to be people trying to put out their opinion and try to attract attention. Right now, it is pure survival, nuclear option, slimy eels in a bucket flopping all over each other. And that's really what I think is going on. Whoops. That's what's going on. With Pepe, what I am really hoping for is a pullback back down to 10, 11. Get rid of this log. I'm looking for Pepe to pull back anywhere in here. And hindsight's 2020. Foresight is not. It's easy to say what I'm looking for now. And so, you know, if that happens, obviously we'll have to see what the charts look like. But Pepe has been my best performing crypto this year, probably in the past 2 years. Over 10x. I think I'm over 20x for me. Over 20x. I should have bought $1 million worth of Pepe. I could have made 20 million off it. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Is what it is. That's how it goes. No use sweating on it. This is stone cold survival at this point. I am quite bullish on gold and commodities, of course, in general. Just watching these documentaries, a couple documentaries, and with fundamentally what's going on. The countries that are trying to convince the Saudis and the Arab nations to sell their oil to them in their own currencies and not the US dollar. They want, those countries and nations are buying up gold. They want to switch things maybe back to a gold standard based off their currency, something like that. And even if not, it's gold. It's gold's time to shine. It's gold's time to shine. Pure survival. When it's pure survival, gold rush. Fundamentally I'm bullish on gold, and technically too. Why not? Nice curvature on gold. Yeah, this just looks ugly, man. This is just ugly and rickety. Again, we had the long holiday weekend, so kind of ugly, low volume charts is to be expected, but not respected. It's pure survival mode. We have to focus right now more than ever. It's don't get yourself in that blender, man. Don't be doubling that leverage and doubling your positions. If you make a mistake, just take the mistake and don't do it again. Try your best not to do it again. This is typically kind of, we're getting into the worst of the dog days of the year. Summertime's coming around. If you live in a place that's humid, you got mosquitoes. Real estate slows down right now. We're getting into the dog days of summer. The only people that like summer are sluts. Okay? And I'm not trying to offend anyone. I know there's exceptions to the rule, to the innocent, women out there that like going out in the summertime and shit like that. But, I like the spring, fall, and winter. Spring, fall, and winter. So, as much as I'd like to sit here and go through charts, that's really all there is to say. That's all there is to see. At least to me, I'm looking at the 6 hour. Man, I would love to short. I'd love to be short right now. And maybe I will. Maybe I will. I would love to long too. Maybe I will. I just think I might need to take today off, and hopefully tomorrow we have some more data, and maybe not. You might just, I don't know, we might just have to recluse, man. Because this is some weak shit. This is weak as hell. This is weak. Super weak. Weak action. And that can change, but again, I just wanted to, again, this week through Saturday, coupon code SOLDIER for 30% off Market Cipher. Go to marketciphertrading.com. Also, get yourself Platinum PZ. Each of these products is only marked up $2, by the way, which is because we have to. I would sell this stuff for at cost, but literally the lowest amount I can charge is $2 over what it cost us. So this costs us $18. So we sell it for as cheap as we're able to. Platinum PZ in the gray. And we got the colored versions. Well, these are stickers. Platinum PZ. Pure survival right now. Pure survival. Man, I tell you, if I went long, Look, oh, now we're stuck again. Now it's stuck again. Now look, now it's gonna go down again a little bit, and then up again, and then down again, and you're just gonna get murdered on fees while you're murdered on fees. Maybe then it slowly breaks down. I don't know. This market at this point makes me sick. I'm disgusted. I'm not happy. And I know that's dangerous. That's dangerous for me personally. I don't know about you. You might be different. You might be similar in some ways. Pure survival. I don't know. We'll see. Definitely Memorial. We also man, Pulse Chain. That shit is dead, and my heart goes out. Everyone keeps saying it's the bottom, sold the bottom, sold the bottom. Oh, you sold the bottom. No, listen. If you exited Pulse Chain, you did not sell the bottom. The price is gonna keep going down. It's gonna keep going down. What a miracle it would be if I'm wrong about that. But so far, man, am I glad I sold that shit for break even. So should have sold that shit for millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars. You have faith in man, you get let down. These damn communities, just worry about yourself. This shit is crypto shit. No wonder why I take time off, because it's like high school. Man, the social media is like high school. Actually, it's like middle school. Bunch of little girls gossiping.